More than a dozen wildfires are devouring parts of Oklahoma. Dozens of families have lost their homes. Let's go there now. Michael Seiden from our affiliate KOC or COCO. He joins us now from Luther, Oklahoma. Michael, thanks for joining us, man. I can see that you're standing in front of a burnt-out building there. But first, I want you to tell us, crews making any progress or the fire's getting worse?
Yeah, Don, we are about 30 miles northeast of Oklahoma City, out here in the city of Luther, a small rural community. Firefighters have knocked out the flames. Right now, they're just monitoring hot spots. But I can tell you that in the last hour or so, a little bit north of here near the city of Stillwater, there is a raging wildfire there. So a lot of the resources here are headed up there. But down here in the city of Luther, everything is okay.
Yeah, and let me ask you this real quickly before you show us around, because I'd love to see it. We've heard these reports about an arson. This may be an arson linked to that. Are you hearing anything more about the search for a suspect in this?
Yeah, my photojournalist Brian Dixon and I have been out here. We were out here all night. We've been here all day. We've been in close contact with authorities. And what we're hearing right now is, yes, they believe this was set by an arsonist. We are told yesterday the sheriff's office got a tip about a guy throwing burning newspaper out of a pickup truck. Sheriffs have been fielding tips all day, but at this point, no arrests have been made. But Oklahoma County, where we are right now, we are under a burn ban. So you can imagine when they do find the perpetrator, he could face serious charges.
Absolutely. So 47 homes and buildings destroyed, at least in Luther. So where are the people who lost their homes and the businesses that you're standing in front of? Are they in shelters? Are they setting up there?
Well, Don, that's what's so devastating, and evacuation is still in effect. I want to show you, this is actually a house, and families have not been back yet. At least 4 houses here. You can see these homes just reduced to ashes, and it's really a common scene all over the city of Luther. And before we got on your program tonight, I actually spoke with emergency management, and that number is actually now at 56 structures. And of those 56 structures, we're talking about 25 homes and a daycare that have been destroyed by this wildfire.
Great reporting from Michael Seiden, our affiliate KOCO in Luther, Oklahoma. Appreciate it.